everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video today I have a review for you on Modelones set of 8 gel polishes. This is a kit that you can purchase on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below, but I want you to see how this comes packaged in this nice little box here. So like I said, there are 8 bottles in here. They are the mini bottles, the 7 ml bottles. It's a great set for beginners. Of course, you need a base coat and top coat for these. It's not included, or it will also make a nice gift for any nail enthusiast. So let's go ahead and take a look in here and open the package. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. And here's the 8 bottles. Included inside, it's a little pamphlet that gives you instructions if you are new at using gel polishes, how to do the application. It does a comparison with other bottles in size and material of the bottles, because these bottles are plastic, and I have a lot of these guys, and I haven't had any problems with the material of the bottle, the bristles, the brush, the handle. It works just fine. Yes, they are light, but then I do find ways to kind of wedge the bottles when I'm working on myself to keep them in place, and they're great for traveling too. You guys know that I did some travel and I took some polishes, gel polishes with me. Also included is this handy, you know, if you want to go ahead and dab some color here, these are stickers, and you can kind of label your bottle so you can take a quick pick at the color, since there's no way to tell from the outside. And then some product safety measures here on how to handle the gel polishes. And what I want to do for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and do swatches of these on these nail tips right here, so you get to see the colors and how they apply. But I also want to do a design that it is the tutorial. There's a video tutorial of the design on the Amazon, their Amazon link. So that's going to be my first time attempting that. So I will do a design on my nails after I've done the swatches. So I'll leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are all the colors. As you saw, application went really well. They have very good shine on their own, even though they have been finished here with a gel top coat. Beautiful colors. As you notice, yes, they create a gradient. So as you saw, they gradate from a black to, this is more of a burgundy color, a dark red, a very bright red. I love this. I'm gonna call it a puppy red. Yes, and this is more of a mauve pink, and then this is a sheer, very sheer, not too sheer, but it has glitter on it. It has some micro glitters in it. And what do you think of my design? Oh my gosh, so like this is the first time I attempted this. Their video really makes it look much easier. You saw how I kind of made up for the areas that I had missed there, but not too shabby. I really love the end result. You guys should try it if you haven't tried this before. I'm in love with how it turned out. And again, on my nubbies. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions about this set, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that the link to the Amazon link will be down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me this beautiful set of polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.